Top 5 must-have WooCommerce plugins for boosting sales. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you guys the top 5 plugins that you need to use to boost your sales on your WooCommerce product on your WordPress site. So let's jump right in. Now, my top pick for today, which I really love to use, is Wishlist. Wishlist is an amazing tool that allows you to build your own wish lists as well as find gifts for your loved ones. Wishlist itself is a plugin that enables you to create wish lists on stores with any type of product. This can allow you to boost your sales not only from your customers directly, but they can build their wish lists and their friends and family can buy off of their wish lists. Using this plugin is super simple and easy, so let's jump right in. To get started, simply head on over to wishlist.com and you're going to download this plugin. Once you click on download on the top right, your plugin will be downloaded. Once your plugin is installed, you will actually find Wishlist to be added into the navigation pane of your store. So if we click on Visit Store over here, this will open up our store and we will see Wishlist is added on the top right. Now, when a customer clicks on Wishlist over here, this will lead people to their wishlist page. This allows people to create a wishlist, find a wishlist, as well as view their own wishlist in this particular tab. Once your plugin is downloaded, go back into WordPress, and then you're going to click on Add New Plugins in Plugin. Click on Upload Plugin on the top, and then click on Choose File. Once you do that, you're going to choose the zip file, and once you do that, click on Install. Now, we're going to be taking a look at the Wishlist plugin, which is built for WooCommerce, and this is going to be from the perspective of you as a store administrator setting this up, and then I'm going to show you guys later on in this video what it looks like in action. So once you do that, you will click on Activate Plugin, and once you click on Activate Plugin, this will activate your plugin over here. Now, once this has been activated, you can go into settings. Once you go into settings, you will have a few different tabs. So you will see that you have a Start tab. The Start tab offers a Get Support buttons for admins to ask questions and provide feedback. And also included is the Connect to Wishlist.com section. So this allows you to set up a connection directly to the Wishlist.com site. And if anyone has different types of items in their wish list, people would be able to see them in their wish list from your store as well. Then you can also set the visibility of the plugin and then your administrative email. So over here, we can click on connect and then we can connect to the wishlist.com. And then after that, we have our second tab. Now in our second tab, we have the ability to add to the wish list. So we have our product pages, search and category, and then shopping cart. Where do you want the options for people to add items into their wish list? So for my product page, I want it to be right after the add to cart button. Then you want to choose how you want the Add to Wishlist button text to be displayed. So I'm going to capitalize the A and W in Add to Wishlist. And then you have the style of the button. And then you have the button icon. So if you want it to be a heart, if you want it to be a star, a check, or anything else. Then you have your icon color, so the icon width, the size, and positioning. You also have the margins as well as the top and bottom positioning. And then below that, you also have your Add to Wishlist screens. Click on Save Settings once you have optimized your settings, and then proceed on to the Wishlist homepage. So this is going to be your store's wishlist homepage, and you can choose how it is going to appear. So what should the title be? What should the homepage banner image be? As well as the homepage subtitle and the fonts and sizing. From there, you can also customize. So you can customize, create a wishlist button. You can choose the style of those buttons, as well as create a Find a Wishlist button. So consumers can not only build their own wish list, but if they have friends or family, they can also search for the other person's wish list and then choose to build or choose to purchase gifts for their friends or family using their wish lists. Now, all these features are completely free. It has premium features that you would usually pay other plugins for. And other plugins are charging quite a bit more for all of these really amazing features and customizations, which you can get for free using the wishlist plugin. You also have your wishlist display that can be customized over here. This includes customization of customers to create multiple wish lists. You can also let customers create their own profile image. If you want them to decorate their wish list with a banner image on the top, by default this is selected as no, but you can turn this off for more customization for your customers. Then you also have the default color of the banners as well as the message to show when their wish list is empty. And then you also have a shop button for empty wish lists. Then you also have following, where people can follow a wish list. So if they have a family member, they can follow them so they are always up to date on what they might want to buy. You also have the template header and footer. So if you want to select a source for your wishlist template header, if you want to use a custom HTML or use your store's logo, name, and menus. Make sure to click on Save Settings whenever you are altering any of these settings. Now, once we've done that, we can proceed on to our next section. One of the most important things is to make sure that you have the 3 basics of the wish list: the option to create a wish list, find a wish list, and visit your own wish list. So for that purpose, you want to make sure that when a user is logged in, all of these options are available. Right now, we have optimized some of the basic settings, but if we go on ahead and click on our store like this, you guys can see this is my product and I can click on add to wish list. When I want to click on add to wish list, this has given me the option to add a product to my wish list. Then if I click on my wish list on the top right, this allows me to see my wish list as well as find any wish list by searching their name or email address. You also have filtering options, so you can add the first name, last name, or birthday of the person that you're looking for. So if you have a person with a common name, you can add their birthday or email, so it's easier for you to find their wish list. Now, when a customer wants to add any of your products into their wish list, they can click on the Add to Wish List tab over here. Once they do that, they can sign in to add this to their particular wish list, and they have several different options for signing in and creating their wish list. So they can sign in with Google, Apple, Facebook, or any other method. After that, they can review and save their wishes. So they can give their wish a name, as well as keep the price, and below that they can add their wish meter as well. So if they really want an item, they can mark it like this. They can also specify the color, the size, or any other option that they want from that particular product. Then click on save, and just like that, your customer will have the product added into their wish list. Now, once they have added their product into their wish list, they can proceed and share their wish list and view it as well. So they can click on My Wish List at the bottom over here. This will give them access to view what their current wish list looks like, so they can browse and see what they have in their bucket list. After that, they can proceed with sharing their wish list as well. So if any user wants to share their wish list, they can proceed by compiling their wish list and then clicking on the top right, and they can add friends as well as view their wish list. So in this particular wish list, if I want to share this, I simply can click on Share Wish List, and then I can share it via email, Facebook, X, and I can also use other applications like Tumblr, Pinterest, Dig, Reddit, or directly copy this link. Link sharing can be one of the easiest ways to share any wish, and they can share this link across any social media platform or any other channel. Like that, you can click on Done, and just like that, as a customer, this is what it's going to look like. The product is going to be added to their wish list. Now, if I go back into my WordPress or WooCommerce store, this is what the actual product is just going to look like regularly. And if you go into your product, into your individual product page, the same option is also going to appear. So just like that, you can create a fully functional wish list system, and you will see that this plugin works amazingly with any type of WooCommerce products, whether those are regular product or if you are selling, larger bulk items. It really does not matter on the type of product. However, one other way that you can optimize this further is to add the wish list button into multiple places. So on the product page, it has this position. Then I have the button margin, and then what happens when the button is clicked. Now, moving forward, as a store owner, you might want to customize the display of wish lists in your store. So to do that, you can go back into your WordPress dashboard, and then on the left, you're going to scroll into the wish list application plugin. Once you click on the plugin over here, you're going to click on Wishlist Display. Now, in your wishlist display, you can choose how your wish lists are displayed on your WordPress store. So you can choose whether you want them to create multiple wish lists, how you want the default or layout to be. So if you want it to be in a grid, list, or collage. You can also choose customizations for colors and customer customizations, such as their own profile images. Now, if I want the default color to be something else, I'm going to change this to a pink color, like this. And once I add this default color, I can click on Save Settings. Then I can choose to customize the text color of a customer's name within their wishlist banner. So if I want this to be of any other color, I can do that as well. I'm going to make this a really dark purple like so. Once I've done that, I can also customize the wish list message as well as background color of wish list related icons. Once I'm satisfied with the edits that I have made, I can click on Save Settings. Now, if we go back into the default wish list or a customer wish list, you guys can see that the default color has been changed and the name color has also been changed into a darker purple. This can help you in making your wish lists look cohesive with your store on WordPress and can help you in ensuring a brand cohesion is allowed within your store. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with some of these amazing tools and applications that can help you in boosting sales in WooCommerce. Now, Wishlist is just one of these applications. There are 4 more to go, and that includes things like using Pagefly, Ultimate Member, and using Elementor for building your WordPress site and for optimizing your pages. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.